Hello, Carrollton, Texas. My name is Joe. I run AmericanRoofSupplements.com. I maximize roofing claims for roofers all over America by doing their roofing supplements. So I'll take a $10,000 roof, and then the insurance company thinks that they're going to pay $10,000, and I'll make it $13,000. Because of the stuff that they missed on purpose, probably. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm going out and I'm helping my guys that I work with get more customers, for their roofing companies. So here's the thing. What we're doing is we're doing free roof checkups, 100% complimentary. And if you click the link in the description, click the link, fill out the form, watch that video, and then I'm going to call you and I'm going to get you set up with one of my guys in your area that are local and that have a track record with us, And the thing is there are so many houses out there that haven't been checked, that have wind and hail damage all over them, So let's go through this process together, I'll take you through it. If there's not enough wind or hail damage, it's still complimentary. We'll put you on a list and we'll come out and we'll check your roof in 9 months or 18 months or whenever new storms come through. Take you through the process again, Just have a guy that can go up and check your roof over and over and over until it's done, until it's ready. So go ahead, click the link in the description, fill out that form, watch those videos. Next thing you know, you will be getting a call by me or one of my associates, and we will set up an appointment and come out and check your roof. You have a great day. Thank you so much for checking me out, and we'll talk to you later.